globe that a child is introduced to is the sensorial globe. If you see this globe here, this is a very tactile globe. You see all the continents, land is in rough sandpaper. Water, oceans are all in smooth. Excuse me. So we learn, we show the child that these are all land and this is all water. He is introduced to land and water before he is introduced to oceans and continents. And then the next globe, he is actually taught the different continents, the rotation and revolution of the earth around the sun. Excuse me. The different seasons. Why seasons are costly? Because of the incline of the earth's axis in a particular way. The young, now we're talking about a 3 to 6 year old child. We are not talking about 10 and 12 year old. We're still talking about a very young child. They actually learn and they grasp these concepts much sooner than you would ever imagine. This was about the globe. After the globe, we actually show the child maps. We have 3 different maps in the map cabinet in our environment. We start off with the world map, which looks like this. Thank you. See here, this is the world map. See now, what has happened is, we have shown the child the globe. Alright, we tell the child, if you would actually flatten the globe, alright, this is how it would look. This would be the front and this would be the back. And it's exactly, the continents are colored in exactly the same color as they are on the second globe that I just showed you. The child is introduced to continents, the names of continents, names of countries, all in a very sensorial, a tactile way. There is nothing to by heart here. There is everything to see, touch, feel and understand and learn, and it's embedded in his memory forever. That's the beauty of Montessori material. There's one more very interesting cultural material that we're going to pass around. A young child is taught about different landforms. Right? Like, what is a lake? What is an island? What is a lake?
Water body.
A water body surrounded by land. Okay. What is an island? What is a peninsula? What is a bay?
Water body going between the landing sides.
It's the opposite of peninsula, right? See, there are at least 10 different landforms, major landforms, and a Montessori child is actually shown sensorially. Let's have that landform here, please. See, we have different landforms here. Alright, I'm going to just show it. Everybody has to just take a pic because they're filled with water. Okay, they're very sensorial. A child actually sees, okay, this is an island because it's surrounded by water. This is a lake because it's surrounded by land. He actually feels it and he establishes it in his memory. Isn't it a much easier and a fun way to learn geographical concepts than just sit one night and by heart all the points and go and vomit it out in the question paper the next day? You know, that is the difference and the beauty between Montessori as versus your traditional schooling. The purpose behind showing you all this was, I want your faith in the Montessori system to be really strong. And you know, many of the times it happens, you know, we compare our children with